Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you what if Windows 11 is secretly limiting your NVMe SSD performance. So I am going one hidden tweak. So this tweak could unlock faster speed for your PC. Okay, a hidden Windows 11 registry tweak is going viral nowadays online. Some users claim it reduces SSD latency, improve responsiveness, and unlock better NVMe performance. But does it actually work or not? Before we continue, this tweak modify the Windows registry. So create a backup or restore point first. This is recommended for advanced users only. So now let's move to the video. To apply this tweak on your PC, press Windows key button, and here you need to type PowerShell. Windows PowerShell, right click on it and open this in Run as Administrator tab like this. Now you need to copy and paste one PowerShell command. So this command you can get in my video description, same as it is. You need to copy it and paste it here and then press enter. This will take some time to execute this command on your PC. After the command was successfully executed in PowerShell, now you can close your PowerShell and then you need to restart your PC and laptop compulsory. After restarting, this tweak may apply on your system. Now hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager, if you notice storage disk instead of disk drive, then tweak may be active on your PC. So this tweak is not officially stable for all systems. You need to remember this guys. So after applying this tweak on your PC, you may face some possible issue like SSD utility app not detecting drive, Samsung Magician problem, BitLocker conflict, random instability. So is it worth using or not? So if you enjoy testing Windows tweak and performance experiments on your PC, you can go with this. But for important daily system, you need to wait for some date for official support. Official support is safer. Okay, if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.